This is your Zevluck chandelier. From the ceiling to the base can be up to 48 inches and multiple heights of hanging on different types of ceilings that are sloped to angled. The Zevluck chandelier, we're going to show you what you get in the box, how to install it, and what it's all about. This weighs, box and all, 17 pounds, about 12 plus pounds, opening up. What you get inside: an instruction guide. You get all the parts and material needed. We have nicely laid out all the parts. As you can see, the unboxing, how this came shipped and handled. The fixture hangs over 40 plus inches, 48 inches in height. We have here is 3 feet by 10 inches by 11 inches. You have 5 bulbs. As you can see how nicely the domes are protected by styrofoam and plastic, as well plastic around the dome. So what we're going to be doing now is assembling our unit. Depending on the height you want, you have the bars. You're going to start to thread the bars in like so. The second set of bars we're not going to thread. What we have here is a right angle. It's an adapter that you screw on a gimbal. So this way, if your ceiling is angled, you can adjust the angle you want. On one side of the light fixture, you have your leads. You're going to take each of the bars. I'm going to start with the small bar. I'm going to thread through. It may take you a couple of tries. Bring down to the very bottom and screw down. Then I'm going to take the next bar, which is double threaded, and repeat for the height I want. 1 bar, 2 bar, combination of bars. I'm placed down on the floor and I'm going to continue to thread my poles, my bars. With the other pole, we're going to thread in. This doesn't have any leads. Then we're going to take the right angle gimbal and thread on. And then we open up and we thread through the gimbal and the piece with the copper wire as your ground. Bend back down if like and screw on. Unscrew the top bolts, nuts, washers. With the nuts, bracket, and top piece, with the top cover, we're going to slide our lead through. Place on and over. On the other end, you're going to place in your ground lead, your lock washer, washer, and nut. And lock down. From above, you're going to place on your bracket if you want the light to face this way or this way. With your leads, you're going to now close up. With the help of a friend, you're going to simply match up the holes. And lock down. In this demonstration, we have the unit standing at 4 feet. Now what we're going to do is hang it up over here in a shorter distance to give you a better field of view. Okay, we need to uninstall the socket covers. We have this black base that goes on top, the cover, and your hands won't be able to get in there. And that's what this tool is for. The tool goes on, gives a little force on each of the edges, like so. And you simply slide up. Just simply take off all the four and place on. A 60-watt light bulb is the maximum that's allowed to go in. 2 holes, they match up, they lock in, and slide up, and gently work on. The last one, we're going to slide on and do our best to show you without the tool, that the tool prevents fingerprints from inside. $60-watt light bulbs of your choice can be put in. Different types of designs. As the light turns on, you have your round bulb, soft, your oval bulb, cool, and soft, different kelvins. From Zevluck, your rectangular chandelier, different heights you can hang up. We're showing this closer to the ceiling, give you an idea of what the chandelier looks like. With the lights off and the way you angle your chandelier, on top you can angle it to a sloped ceiling and more. It is open, no glass on the frame or the bottom, but glass cylinders around. Black, elegant design with a 1/4 to 1/2 inch piping around and a base. Your chandelier from Zevluck comes in many sizes, makes, and models. Check online for further detail about your product you are after. I hope you decide if this chandelier may be right for you of your lighting needs. Thank you for viewing.